Hi guys, I'm Logan. This is Payne, and our partner Rodrigo is not here today. And today we're gonna show you how to play our game called Robird. And the person that came up with the game is not here because he said he's not feeling well. So I'm gonna have Peyton over here show you how to play the game. Go ahead, Peyton.
So this is how you play the game. You click start, and then wherever you tap on the screen, the bird will go. If you go in the waves, you die. You can also click retry, go right back on here, but then it does that. And then you have to go to the checkpoints, which in case that one's right there. And then this one's hidden, and then that's your winning screen. And then let me show you guys something else. And there's also a you failed screen. Yeah, that's our thing. And then
He's gonna show you the code next.
The code is this. This is our code. And then, yeah, that's our code.
It took me a couple days to do that one.
And then our poster also got on the wall, chosen for the best